car itself is awesome. And I thank all your guys today for all the hard work.
Yeah.
But the paint with Boitnott is just, he knocked it out of the park. It's nicer than what I thought it was going to be.
Fell in love with that red color. So then I sent it to Jim and I said, we might have a problem after I'd already sent him the rendering. And I said, I just found this color when I was looking for the black pearl and it's, oh my gosh, I love it. We need to do something with this. So then he just in his living room did a quick little drawing. And we consulted with him on the phone and said, do your thing.
Well, I saw you sat in it, so you saw the new telescope steering column. How do you like that?
Telescopic steering column you guys have done is so cool. Because there's days, and I said to my wife, I wish I had the wheel a little bit closer to you. I'm just feeling it different today. No, I ain't got any excuses. I can fling that thing back and forth now with no excuses.
We might as well just call Jake Mr. Bling Bling with all that chrome and the stainless bolt kit.
I'm just old school. I just love that stuff. Yeah.
What's the first race you're going to with it?
Next week, Hootenanny. We're going straight to the Hootenanny.
Yeah, I'm glad you guys like it. Good luck at the Hootenanny, and yeah, we're happy to see you guys at the Ace Race for sure.
Absolutely, we wouldn't miss that.
Yeah.
From the telescopic steering column to all that bling bling, build number 6 of Jake and Kelly Meinert was definitely one of our favorites. Let us know if there's anything in this video we can help get for you.